Exhale, exhale. Hey kids, do you know what I'm doing today? I'm learning how to find the meaning of a particular word with the help of a dictionary. Do you know how to use a dictionary? So, let me teach you today with some activity fun. Let's get started. Kids, do you know how important it is to arrange our data in order? You know that in your class you're provided with roll numbers as per your names. Similarly, in the dictionary, the words are arranged in order. That is, the word starting with the letter A comes first and it goes on to the letter Z towards the end. Let's see, this activity is based on alphabet test. So now let's see what do we have in store. Starting with type 1. Type 1 tells us how to use a dictionary. So we know that the words are to be arranged from in alphabetical order, that is from letters A to Z. So here the first question says, find a sequence in which these words appear in a dictionary. So first what we need to do is that we need to see the first letter of this word. It is H. Then for the second we have it as C. Then for the third we have it S. Then again for the fourth we have the letter S. So if we notice which letter comes first, C comes first. As per we go with the letters A, B, C. So we have first as C. So the first word will fall, that is children. So then the second word would be, so according to us the first option is option number 2. Then, now remaining words are home, sick and smoke. Now we need to see which letter falls first, H. So, we will write that a second word would be home. So, in the dictionary, what would be the second word? Home. So, according to us, what is this alphabet? What is the correct option? Option number 1. Now moving further, we are left with two words, that is sick and smoke. Now we fall into trouble. Why? Because both the words are starting with the letter S. So now what we should do? We should move to the second letter. Second letter is it? I. And here the second letter is M. Now I comes first or M comes first? Obviously I comes first. So what would be the correct option here? Option number 3. Then again we have it as the last one, that is smoke. So it is number 4. Now as you notice that you have been given the options as A, B, C and D. These words are arranged according to their Roman number option, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my correct order is 2, 1, 3 and 4. Now let's start matching with option A. Does this match? No. Now moving on to option number B. Does this match? 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. Yes, it's a match. So my correct answer is option number B. So here I'll stop because I have found out my correct answer. I hope this type is clear to you. Now moving on to type 2 of the same alphabet test. Now here what we need to do is we need to rearrange the letters to form a meaningful word. So let us see what do we have in store. Choose the option that shows the correct arrangement of numbers for a meaningful word made of the given letters. Now, as you can see here, you have been provided with the letters S, T, E, A. And S has been given a number 1, T has been given number 2, E has been given number 3 and A has been given number 4. So what we need to do is that first we need to find out the meaningful word based on these letters. Once I have found it out, what I need to do? I need to sort these numbers and match with the options given below. So let's get started. Can I form? What can I form? So you need to think. So this is one way of finding it out. If I follow the first method, I can form two words which are seat and one is east. But if I see here, so if I need to arrange it in order, what it would be? 1, 3, 4, 2. So what is the answer? 1, 3, 4, 2. And for the east, what is the answer? 3, 4, 1, 2. So this is 3, 4, 1, 2. So I will match these numbers with the options given to me. Is option number A matching with any of these? No. Is option B matching with any of these? Yes, it is. What is the answer? East. 3, 4, 1, 2 means what word they have formed? They have formed the word east. So my correct answer is 3, 4, 1, 2. That is option number B. Now there is a second way to find out the correct option. What you can do is, first you can form the word based on this arrangement. If you will form the word based on this arrangement, what it will be? E, S, T, A. Does it form any meaning? E, S, T, A? No. So this option is wrong. Now moving further. This is forming E, A, S, T. Is it forming any meaning? Yes, it is. So we leave this option. Now moving on to option number C. It is 4, 2, 1, 3. That is A, T, S, E. A, T, S, E. Is it forming any meaning? No, it's not. And if you have a doubt, you can go check out in a dictionary. Then another one is 1, 2, 4, 3. That is S, T, A, E. Now S, T, A, E. Is it any word? No, I have never heard of this word before. So what is my correct option? Because east was the correct one, so this option is correct. So this is another way of solving this question. So any of the method which you find easy, you can go for that method. Now next one we have in store is type 3. Type 3 says that you have to form a meaningful word from the given word. So now let's see what type of question will fall in this category. In this category, you have to choose one word which can be made from the letters of the given word. Now this is the word given to you, that is reasoning. So now you have to see which word you can find out. As you know, there are a number of words which can be formed. One can be reason, one can be sun, and many more. But we need to look at our options for this. Now looking at the option number 1, that is season. So you should see here that can you form season? No. But why no? Because S-E-A is here, S-E-A. But this S is not here because we have been given only one S. And in this word we are using two S. So this is not possible. Now moving on to our next word, that is roaming. Can I form roaming? No. Now moving on to the C option, that is near. Now for near it is N-E-A-R. Now all the letters of the word near are there in this word, that is reasoning. So yes, this option can be correct. But before that we should check option D as well. Option D says nothing. Now if you see in this one, you are not provided with the letter T. So can I form nothing? No, I cannot. So which one option is correct? Option C, that is near. So I am able to find out my correct answer. Yes. Now based on this similar topic, there is another question which says, choose a word which cannot be formed from the letters of the given word permanent. Now here you need to find out the word which cannot be formed. So moving on to option number 1. Can I form meter? M-E-T-E-R. Yes, I can. So this option is not the one. Now moving on to option B, net. Can I form the word net? N-E-T. Yes, I can. So this is also not the one. Now moving on to option number C. That is Peter. P-E-T-E-R. So all these letters are available in the word permanent. So I can form this as well. So this is also not the one. Now moving on to the option number D. That is tent. T-E-N-T. So it is T-E-N, but the T is repeated. So which word cannot be formed? Tent cannot be formed. So option D is the correct answer. Yes. Now moving on to the last type, that is type number 4. Type 4 says that you have to form a meaningful word by rearranging the letters, and then you have to find out its category. Yeah, this one is very interesting. Let's see how. It says, form a meaningful word from the given letters and find its category. So, the letters which are given to you are E, R, D. So, you need to think which word you can form. E, R, D. Can I form the word red? Yes, I can. So let's see. R, E, D. So I found that the word is red. Now red falls into which category? Is it a fruit? No, it's not. Is it a vegetable? No, it isn't. Is it a color? Yes, it's a color. So the correct answer is answer number C, because red is the color. So option C is the correct option. But let's always confirm our answer. So let us check option D as well. Is red an animal? No, it's not. So I am sure that C is my correct option. So these are the few categories or the type of questions which you will face in this activity. Now, based on this activity, few questions based on these categories are provided to you in the worksheet. So I want each one of you to solve that worksheet and enjoy this activity. Till then, toodles!